Hey, I'm Steve Gold, and welcome to 243 East 17th Street. We are in Gramercy, New York City, in front of this amazing 28-foot wide mansion with a storied history and a celeb owner provenance. From the moment you step into the front garden, you're greeted by this incredible structure, ornate balconies, Gilded Age facade. This 1850s home is unlike anything else on the market. So here we are in the entry foyer of this incredible mansion. Stately proportions, high ceilings, incredible pre-war details. And when I say pre-war, I'm talking Spanish-American War. And this home has been impeccably designed by Hollywood power couple, director Baz Luhrmann and his wife, Catherine Martin. And this incredible foyer is just the beginning. There's a lot to see, follow me. So we're here on the ground level, which is slightly elevated off the street, but still a beautiful view of Stuyvesant Park. This area is set up for informal living, dining, and also a library. The fireplace here centers the room and has incredible detailing. It's wood burning and dates back to the early 19th century. And behind me is this beautiful floating curved staircase. To have a kitchen of this size in a townhouse in New York City is simply unheard of. The cabinetry is by Clive Christian. You have this beautiful statuary marble on the countertops. And what's even better is you have this bay window all overlooking your rear garden with beautiful eat-in kitchen area. This townhouse has the ultimate rear garden. Walled for privacy, green, lush, and serene. It's a sanctuary, perfect for entertaining, to reading, relaxing, and listening to the sounds of nature. It's really easy to forget you're in the middle of downtown Manhattan when you're sitting back here. Now welcome to the parlor level. 16-foot ceilings, 28-foot wide, overlooking a park. This isn't strictly a ballroom. This is entertaining made for the Great Gatsby. With the Juliet balcony right off the whole front facade, you could find your Romeo. Sitting in this room, wherever you face, your jaw just drops. You have these pre-war detailings, the moldings on the ceilings, and the original marble fireplace. Welcome to the new Gilded Age. This home is filled with more than original detail. There's tons of Hollywood memorabilia all around. Recognize this hat? Nicole Kidman wore it in the Moulin Rouge. Welcome to the primary suite. Oversized, high ceilings. And my favorite part, its own private terrace overlooking the rear garden. So we're now on the top floor of this incredible townhouse. This used to be the home of tenor saxophonist Sandy Jordan. So it's fitting that the current owner created this as his listening room. He came up here to think, to write. And for all you movie buffs out there, it is right here on this desk that Baz wrote his latest film, Elvis. I hope you enjoyed this tour of one of my all-time favorite New York City townhome listings, the stately mansion in prime Gramercy overlooking Stuyvesant Park. Now in film speak, I think they say, that's a wrap. See you in the next one.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.